Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to delete Moonpay account. So here's a simple step-by-step and an easy workaround for that. So for you to be able to delete it, you have to open your Moonpay app or go to the Moonpay website and log into your account using your account credentials. Then tap on your profile or account settings, then scroll down and select support or help. Just submit a request or contact support. Write a message request to delete your Moonpay account permanently. Also include your registered email address and any requested verification details. Submit the request. Check your email inbox for confirmation email from the Moonpay. Follow the instruction in the email to confirm your request. So once processed, your Moonpay account will be deleted. And that's how you can easily delete your Moonpay account. And also, here's a quick tip for that. Always, for deleting your Moonpay account, your transaction history also will be removed, and that's it.